Hi YouTube, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is a special YouTube video because I'm going to be sharing my first Calculus 2 test with you guys. Not the actual test, but just the experience, me studying for it, how I feel before and after, and then the results. This is a new series I want to try because calculus is hard. It's freaking hard. I've learned that this term. And I want to see my growth. And there's no better way to see that than I feel like recording it. So here we go. Yeah. See you, I don't know when I see you next. I guess it's kind of like a vlog, but not really. Yeah, okay.
1 a.m. eyes closed, I'm slowly falling.
I forgot to mention earlier, there is some information that you need to know before you watch this video. First of all, I am doing Calculus 2, not Calculus 1. I did that in high school, like AP Calculus, so I transferred that credit to university. Anyway, the other thing you need to know is that Calculus 2 at my university where I go to, it's very different. There's no final exam and there's no midterm. There's only 4 tests in total, each worth 22%, and then the lasting 12% is from lab assignments. So each test worth 22% of my grade. There's 4 of them in total. That's how the course is structured. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know. I just thought I should mention that because that is why I'm so freaking stressed. Because it's worth 22% of my grade, but at the same time, I'm so freaking grateful that there is no final, because I think I would literally, like, yeah. Okay, bye. Hey vlog, or I don't know what to call this video, but I am back. It's actually like the day after that test, and I basically, since I wrote the test, you saw my like after reaction. I didn't see my grade yet. I still haven't, and I will talk about it in a second, but like I'm speechless because what I'm about to say is gonna just like hopefully like shock you guys too, unless, I don't know, maybe you guys have experienced this before. The test class average. The class average was 47%. 47%. That means more than half of the people failed the test. And like I said before, it was worth 22%. Like, if you fail the test, does that mean you get like 0 out of the 22%? Or like, what does that mean? What are we doing here? What am I doing? Why am I torturing myself? Like, it doesn't make sense. Oh my god. But I'm glad that collectively everyone in the class is just like dead. Like, everyone inside is just dying. They're struggling, and we're all kind of in this together, but not really. I expect half the class to drop it, or I'm not even gonna say it because I might be one of those people. So, no. Anyway, the grades are rolling back in. They're gonna update us to give us our mark. So I just came from the gym. So, and then I'm gonna go back to the university in like an hour. So, won't really have time to react to my grade, but you will see that. Hopefully the next clip will be me reacting to my grade. And I hope I was not one of those people who failed. I've never failed anything in my life. Hello. I am gonna react to my Calculus 2 test number 1. It was on basically integration. It was on integration by parts, use substitution, volumes, and areas. So I have my phone here. I'm gonna check. I've been avoiding it all weekend. And my friends have been asking me, and I've literally been telling them I don't know because I haven't checked. And today I've had honestly the worst day ever, and I don't expect like a big reaction here because I honestly think I failed. And if I did fail, I don't think I'm gonna cry because I am emotionless right now. Like, I already cried today and it was because of calculus, so I'm not gonna cry again because of calculus. If you want to know why I cried, it's because I was doing the stupid lab and it was so hard. I quit. There is no saving me. Like, I'm gonna fail that course. All I hope for is a C. I just need to pass that. I just need to barely pass, please. Okay. You guys have waited long enough. Actually, I've waited long enough. I need to know, and I am not ready. Okay. Oh, take a deep breath. Okay. Here we go. Okay, ready? Everybody ready? Oh, God. Okay, let's see. These are the assignments. Test number 1. I'm sorry that I'm silent, but guys, I'm shaking. I'm just trying to understand what all this means. There's just a lot of information, a lot of numbers on the screen. Okay, course total. I don't think I care about that right now, right? I don't know what does this mean, bro? What are you throwing? Okay, test total. I think I should just look at test 1. Test 1. It was out of 48 marks, and I got 43. Guys, I genuinely thought I failed. I actually thought that I failed. That's an 89.58%. The average on that test was 25.22. 25.22 out of 48 marks. Okay, the average was like 52%. During class, they must have like curved the grade or something. Good thing I waited this long because I don't think I would have gotten a 43 out of 48. I honestly don't know what my original grade was, but I'll take 43 out of 48. That's really good. I know for a fact that the professor made a mistake on one of the questions, so he said he was just gonna like veto that question and give everybody marks for that. So I think he might have done that, and that's why my grade is actually okay. It's just barely, it's like a B+. It's not an A, but I don't care because I genuinely thought I was gonna fail. Like, I genuinely thought I was gonna fail. And here I am. That's not bad, because from here it's gonna go downhill. I know for a fact that tests 2, 3, and 4 are gonna be impossible. Because I literally, like I said, I cried today because I could not answer a stupid question for the lab. So I'm just waiting for those, but this one I'm okay with because I got 89%. I was literally about to start crying with happiness, but thank the Lord, bro. Thank you. Oh man, thank you. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle with calculus 2. I still am struggling, and don't worry, there will be more videos like this because there's still 3 more tests. This first test, like I said, covered areas, volumes, integration by parts, and use substitution. We haven't even gotten to trig, integration by trig or whatever. Trig, substitution, that stuff. We haven't even gotten to that yet, but I already know it's gonna be hell. Okay, anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you are a calc student and you also hate calculus. I wouldn't say hate, that's a strong word. It's just, I would be better off without it. I wish that I didn't have to take this, but I do for my major. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, do all the things, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye, see you. later.